Good morning, guys. Welcome to another video, another vlog. This very well may be the very last day we are driving the FRS. Tour's damn late. It's the middle of the day, dog. What are you doing?
It's 4, 3.
Shit. What up, guys? It is pretty much winter out here in Spokane, so this is one of the last days, probably the very last day I'll be driving the FRS for the rest of the year. So this is pretty dope. We got a few photo shoot locations set up. We got a videographer over here. Say what's up to Ryan.
What up, gang?
We got Jesse, Mr. Lonely Lens. And we got this beautiful location here. We've shot this place a few times, the Evo. I don't think we've ever shot with the FRS. No. But yeah, it looks dope.
They did some new graffiti.
Oh, you're right. Yeah, so we got Jesse here, Canon gang. What is that, a 5D Mark 1, bro? He's balling out on the 5D Mark 4, and we got Ryan shooting on the Sony.
The Sony has the A6300A.
We all know that Sony's the best for video. So in the last video, I did that little speed edit of the Lightroom stuff with, what up? Oh, the scooters? Dude, we should get that in a video.
Scooters!
I should go rent a scooter and get it on the video.
Dude, we should. Yeah, let's do it, man.
That'd be funny as hell. What I was saying though, I did that little Lightroom speed edit, and a lot of people were requesting for me to do like a super in-depth tutorial on how I edit my photos for Instagram. So stay tuned, guys, on the channel. I will definitely be doing that for you. But for now, we're just gonna enjoy this beautiful day before it snows.
Yeah, I like that, but the headlight
yeah.
is like, yeah, I see you. Hey, what's up, man? I'm Venice.
Devin.
Devin, all right, y'all, I'm headed to work Wendy's. We got a special going on.
Shit.
Majestic.
Alright guys, we're pretty much all wrapped up at this location. I apologize for the audio. My mic is tucked away in the car somewhere and I am not about to find it. You got some good photos? Yeah. The next spot we are going to is a super dope spot. We've been there before. We shot the FRS there when it was static. It's back now, so Jesse wants to reshoot that location now that it's on air ride. And I'm gonna do like a little before and after. Before it was static, after now of course being on bags. So we're gonna head over to the top of a hotel. Super nice place in Spokane. So let's hit it. If you want drone shots, I got the drone.
Oh, that'd be sick, dude.
So the place we're going is dope, dude. The top of the Grand. Have you been there?
I don't think
And like
so.
shot up there?
No, I've never been up there.
Sick, dude. It's so sick.
Maybe we can fly the drone up there.
100%.
Let's do it. Hell yeah.
All right, is he done here? Are you done? All right,
Okay, I'm gonna
do it.
get you like pulling out this way.
What'd he say?
He's like, you can't shoot photos here. You have to get a whole like the marketing team. I was like, okay, but we're still gonna shoot.
Yeah.
We're not shooting photos. It's a video.
Yeah. I mean, like. So this here is the second location we are shooting for today. Absolutely gorgeous, white concrete, white background. It is so beautiful up here in Spokane right now. Got the car all parked up, looking fresh. Huh? What's up? I didn't hear a single thing you said. I was driving.
These two guys that you can't be doing photography up here. It's private property.
Okay, absolutely, man. Shit.
That's a great car, but can't be doing photos up here without prior approval.
So how do we get approved?
You have to speak to the sales and HR department.
Okay.
And they're closed right now until Monday. So.
Oh damn. Shit.
I gotta charge my phone for a second.
Okay. Well. Yeah, I'll put the camera away. So cute though. You guys have seen it before. I feel like every location we go, anywhere, whether it be Washington, California, freaking anywhere we go, there's always some sort of security guard, somebody that is telling us we cannot take photos here. So damn annoying. Like, what's the harm? Seriously, guys, what's the harm in taking photos up here? One second, let me flip you guys around. What's the harm in taking photos up here? Just a beautiful white backdrop. Is it okay if I vlog my face up here? Is that cool? Really? Damn, Daniel. That dude went back inside, so Jesse's out here taking some more photos. We got Ryan over here doing video. Damn, guys, like, seriously, what is the problem with taking some photos, good old-fashioned videos here? Such a beautiful place. I get that it's private property, but damn, we're not doing nothing wrong. Yo, Jesse, lights on or off? On. Location number 3. I don't think we're gonna get kicked out of this one. I like this location though. Honestly, like black concrete is so much better to shoot on than silver or like faded, nasty concrete. This is dope. Good job, Jesse. Sick location, dog. Sick.
I wonder what they would say if we actually talked to that guy and was like,
Out the grand.
we paid for parking. We were gonna go and have drinks, and so because you told us we couldn't charge my phone, basically, you're out of money and a customer.
Sounds like he needs to eat a dick.
Yeah.
This is dope though. Enjoy this little edit. Brum, 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 brum. Alright, we done?
Yeah, I'm good. I don't know about you guys, but I want some now. Got footage for days.
You're real good.
Damn, this camera's pretty crispy, bro.
Right there. Good?
Yeah.
Alright, let's get these lights on some trippy shit. Trippy shit. Actually, what do you want, Jesse, for the photo? You know, it doesn't matter. The lights.
What's that, huh?
So I don't know if you guys have seen, if you've probably seen the video where I put these little LED strips in here. If you come on here to my LED Hue app, is it focused? It's always kind of weird to focus at night.
Yeah.
I can change these lights literally any color. If you guys are new to the channel, check this shit out though. I gotta do some trippy shit on here. Yeah, I kind of like this one on here though. That one there, that's dope. That's dope. Yeah, that one. Oh, that's dope. That's real dope. So this dude right here, the other night, shot a sick ass cinematic of the Evo downtown. Right here, downtown in downtown Spokane. Where can I find that edit at when it's done? What's your YouTube channel? Are you gonna throw it on YouTube?
Yeah, maybe. Well,
Either way, go follow his IG.
it'll be on Devin's channel.
Yeah, I'll throw it on my
But yeah, if you want to check it out on our Instagram, it'll be Niskanen Productions.
I'll throw it on the screen, guys. Seriously, he makes some dank ass edits. They're so dope.
Stop! You're making me blush.
And then we got Jesse over here. You guys already know where to follow him at. What is it?
Lonely Lens.
Lonely Lens. Goddamn.
All right, let's go take tequila shots.
It's a good way to end the night. All right, dudes. I think we're pretty much done filming for the night. I may pick this back up in the morning because we kind of have to talk about why I'm putting this car away for the winter, and I haven't told you guys why yet. I'm sure some of you know. Some of you probably don't know, so I'll explain that in the morning.
Gee.
That was a successful day.
Okay, dude.
Other than that motherfucker. Oh boy, oh boy. It is another cold day. Ooh, she looks good. That right there is a good photo. Damn, let's take it. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the vlog. So, we have to explain why we are putting this car away for the winter. Like I said, some of you probably know, some of you do not know. I'm not driving this car in the winter. There's a few main reasons why. Obviously, number one, the car's rear-wheel drive. Rear-wheel drive's not gonna do that good in the snow. The car has a lot of expensive parts on it. The wheels on it are expensive. The wide body's expensive. I don't feel like destroying all that in the winter. And I have a lot of stuff to change on the car throughout winter. I wanna do a different color on the wrap. I have Brembo brakes to put back on it. I have so much other stuff I wanna do to this car this winter. So I plan on just putting it away down in the shop down there for this winter. If you're wondering what car I'm gonna drive, come over here, check out the winter whip. This here is gonna be the car I'm driving this winter. I'm not sure how far I'm gonna take this thing. I don't really know what I have planned for the car. It's pretty much all stock. It's got intake, it's got an exhaust, it's tuned, it's got a sedan front end. It looks pretty good. The car's super clean overall. It needs a few things here and there, like any car I buy. The main thing it needed was a driveline. That's already fixed. The car is perfectly drivable, but I don't know if I want to lower it and throw nice wheels on it, or I just haven't decided yet, honestly, guys. Like, I have so much other projects going on right now with the Evo 8, the STI that I haven't started yet. I know everyone really wants to see STI content, but I'm really trying to get this Evo like drivable, looking all right before I start on like tearing into another project completely. The STI needs the motor pulled out. I have to do the clutch, I have to do valve cover seals, I have to do a bunch of stuff on the STI. So I have to pull the motor out of that car, and I don't want to start tearing into that when this Evo 8 is not even close to being anywhere near completion. So that's why I have not given you guys STI content. I know that's nothing related to this video, but yeah, that's the main reason. So obviously it'd be dope to drive the FRS in the winter. Maybe I'll take it out a few times here and there for like a video or a photo shoot. I'm not gonna bore you guys with any more BS. I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap up the video right here. Once again, thank you so much for the support on the channel, on my brand, everything. Really appreciate it. It's really insane. We hit over 2,000 subscribers. You're watching this video Sunday. It would have been on Friday. So 2 days ago, we hit over 2,000 subscribers in one damn day. That is absolutely insane. I don't really hear of any other like up and coming YouTubers, influencers, or whatever you want to call us, that are getting those kind of numbers. And it's all because of you guys. You guys share the videos, you're constantly liking the videos, you're commenting, you're interacting, and I love it. I really appreciate it. So guys, seriously, thank you so much. I really appreciate that. If you guys want to support the brand, first link in the description box below is my brand boston.com. That's gonna be the end of this video. Really hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.